Delivering a better experience at camp, we engineered the WingLock valve to feature ease of use, reliability, and unparalleled functionality. The valve's intuitive inflation and deflation uses familiar motor skills, making them as easy to use as a water bottle cap. The WingLock provides the perfect amount of airflow during inflation and deflation, allowing you to inflate the pad up to 3 times faster than our classic valve. To provide easy inflation, we built the WingLock with a one-way valve, preventing air from escaping during inflation. Twisting these wings allows the mattress to quickly deflate by opening the one-way valve. The shape and design of the valve cap make it easy to operate even if you're wearing gloves. The valve itself is positioned comfortably off the sleep surface, keeping it off your back during nights at camp. Unlike valves built into the surface of the sleeping pad, the WingLock can be easily repaired if damaged. This keeps your pad in your pack and out of the landfill. As mountaineers and backpackers, we understand how backcountry conditions can push your gear to the limit. The valves were put through countless tests, ranging from extreme heat and cold to dealing with dirt and grit to make sure they met our high-performance standards. To use the WingLock valve to inflate your sleeping pad, open the valve cap by twisting it counterclockwise. Use a pump sack, electronic pump, or breath to inflate your pad. The one-way valve will prevent air from escaping. Our studies on years of Therm pads have shown that breath inflation is perfectly safe for you and your pad. Once the pad reaches your desired level of support, simply twist the valve cap clockwise to close. If you need to bleed a little air to find your preferred level of support, open the wings and gently twist the valve counterclockwise to allow a small amount of air to escape. Close the valve once you've reached your desired level of support. When it's time to break camp, you'll need to open the one-way valve. To do this, you'll want to twist the wings all the way open. Once the wings are open, you can twist the valve cap counterclockwise to deflate your pad. Roll your pad from the bottom towards the valve for even quicker deflation. With over 500 nights of backcountry testing and building more than 100 prototypes, we know that the WingLock delivers the durable performance and easy-to-use design that you need for your backpacking and camping adventures. To check out the award-winning sleeping pads that feature this high-performance valve, head to thermarest.com.